In this video, we'll be speaking about strategies to reverse diabetes. Remember, diabetes is not a lifelong disease, it is a lifestyle disease. So, once we improve our lifestyle, our food, our sleep, our emotions, we can not just prevent but completely reverse lifestyle disease like diabetes. Now, there are three types of diabetes that, for knowledge of everyone. Number one is type 1 diabetes. Type 1 diabetes is diabetes that is generally an adult onset diabetes to kids and to children whose pancreas are not able to produce insulin. So their body is not able to produce insulin, and thereby their blood glucose level starts going up. That is called type 1 diabetes. A very, very few percentage of population are suffering with type 1 diabetes. The second type is type 2 diabetes, which is to most adults. That is a common that we known as adult onset diabetes, which is commonly referred to as type 2 diabetes. This is the most common diabetes. More than 90% people of diabetes have type 2 diabetes. And this video today, we'll be speaking on reversing type 2 diabetes. The third type of diabetes is gestational diabetes, generally, to women who are getting pregnant, and while their pregnancy, if they get diabetes, it is known as gestational diabetes. Now, this video I have really made for type 2 diabetes. Whoever has type 2 diabetes, which is more than 90% of the population of diabetes, have type 2 diabetes. So let us understand how to reverse type 2 diabetes. So let us understand the little mechanism behind, this blood sugar level increase or people getting diabetes. So let us understand diabetes is not a problem of high blood sugar. High blood sugar is the result of diabetes, but the root cause is insulin resistance. You think of it like that if I have an infection in my leg, because of that infection, if I get a fever, but I am taking a medicine of the fever and my fever goes down. So I think that my fever has gone down, but I'm not taking care of the root cause, which is that infection in my leg. I'm doing nothing to take care of that root cause, which is the infection in my leg. This is how people are treating diabetes today. They're just popping pill, reducing their numbers of sugar level, but they're not treating the root cause of diabetes. And this is the biggest mistake that they're doing. Remember, type 2 diabetes is 100% preventable and reversible disease. So the first thing that we should do is stop becoming unaware that it is a lifelong disease. We have to stop living in that ignorance that we have to keep popping pill for a lifelong and there is no solution, right? So the first thing is the mindset change. You have to understand that it is a lifestyle disease, and if you start changing your food habits, if you start changing your lifestyle, you can completely reverse type 2 diabetes. I don't recommend everyone to stop medicine initially. First, you start changing your diet. First, you start changing your lifestyle. Once you start improving that, automatically your sugar levels will go down. Once your sugar level goes down, then you can gradually start tapering down your medicine. So few changes in your food that can really help you. Number one, avoid processed food, avoid packet foods, avoid milk products. Not many people are aware, but milk products and diabetes is very, very related. So start eating more fiber, more natural food, more plant foods. I'm going to share with you 7 simple foods which are very, very good for diabetes. Number one is broccoli. Broccoli is very, very good when it comes to reversing diabetes, very good for gut health, very good for fatty liver, very, very good for reversing diabetes. Number two is purple cabbage. Purple cabbage helps your pancreas make more insulin naturally. So your blood sugar level starts going because your body is naturally producing more insulin now. All right. So purple cabbage is very, very good, and it is a brilliant food when it comes to reversing diabetes. Number three is bhindi seeds. Number four is methi seeds. So we generally ask people to have a kada, and you should have kada of jeera, pudina, soft, elaichi, which instead of your tea and coffee. And in that kada, you should be adding bhindi seeds and methi dana. If you have type 2 diabetes, boil it and have this kada a couple of times in a day. It is very, very effective for reducing your blood sugar level. Number 5 is drumstick. Drumstick is brilliant when it comes to your immune system or reversing diabetes. Drumstick is loaded in calcium, very, very high in phytonutrients and compounds which can build good health for you. Number 6 is guava. Guava is again another fruit which is very, very high in fiber. Guava seeds are very good for constipation, and high fiber in guava leads to low amount of blood glucose level in your biology. Number 7 is bell peppers. Bell peppers, red, yellow, green, are very, very good for your health. Excellent when it comes to nutrient level and can help you reverse your diabetes. And number 8 is chia seeds. 2 teaspoons of chia seeds have a lot of fiber, lot of calcium in your body, which can help you to build your health, build your immune system. Chia seed is very, very good for your gut health, very, very good for immune system, and chia seeds is very effective when it comes to reversing type 2 diabetes. So start consuming these 8 foods which are very, very good when it comes to reversing type 2 diabetes. But apart from food, there are 3 more things that you have to take care of if you truly want to reverse your type 2 diabetes. Number 1 is sleep. Sleep is vital for good health. So the quality of sleep has to be good. You have to sleep on time. You have to have at least 7 hours of good sleep, which is very, very good for our overall health, immunity. Because if you have poor sleep, it will affect your blood glucose level. Third thing that you have to take care of is your stress level. The more you're living in hormones of stress, the more you're living in emotions like guilt, anger, fear, it will lead to higher blood glucose level. Not many people know that emotions and our sugar levels are very, very related. And number 4, you have to be physically being active. The more sedentary lifestyle you live, your blood glucose level will start going up, obesity will start going up. But if you truly want to reverse obesity and type 2 diabetes, you have to be physically being more active. So start taking care of all these 4 things: your food, your diet, your lifestyle, your sleep, and your stress. Because no matter how much medicine you take, no matter how much insulin you take, if you truly want to reverse your diabetes so that you are out of all the insulin, you're out of all your medicine, then you have to start changing your lifestyle, your food, your sleep, and your emotions. Remember, food is our best medicine when it comes to reversing type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is not a lifelong disease. It is a lifestyle disease. So the answer is in your hands. Answer is in your food, your lifestyle. So start taking charge and start reversing your diabetes today.